Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sienna Barley. I am a lifestyle blogger based here in Nairobi, Kenya, and my blog basically focuses on style, fashion and food. So I will be making two different breakfast options today. A very quick one maybe for like weekdays, and then another alternative for like weekends when you have more time to cook. So let's get into it. So guys, for our hearty oat breakfast, all you need is a pan. I'm using this tiny pan because, well, it is small and very easy to wash, but it's also because it heats up food very fast. I'm going to be using almond milk. This one is almond with a touch of vanilla, and I mean you can use ordinary milk, whatever your preference is, but it's just because I'm kind of off dairy at the moment, so that is what I'm going to be using. You need oats, obviously. You need cinnamon for a hint of very good flavor. And for the toppings, I am going to be using a mixture of pumpkin and sunflower seeds, which are very healthy. Also going to be using dried goji berries, and also chia seeds, which are very good and nutritious, rich in omega-3, 6 and 9. And lastly, I'm going to be using a banana because I love bananas. So let's just get to cooking then. So I am going to be adding my milk. I am putting probably around quarter fill of the pan. You can add as much milk as you want depending on how creamy you want your oats to be. So I'm adding around half a cup to a full cup of oats, and then so you can actually either put the oats in when the milk has already boiled, or you can do it before, and I'm doing it before. So I will wait for that to simmer and then add my cinnamon. So it's already boiling, so I'm going to just add some cinnamon. This is of course optional, and yeah, just winging it with my eyes. I like a lot of cinnamon, so yeah. Stir it a bit and then just leave it for like 30 more seconds and it's actually ready. So this is ready now, ready for plating, quick and easy. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to pour the oats in, and then I'll add the toppings on top. Yeah, so be careful because it's rather hot. And I'm actually using a deep set bowl because, well, it's a lot, and once you put the toppings as well, it's going to be pretty full. So oats are ready, and now we will move on to the toppings. So I'll start with chia seeds, and I will just use a teaspoon and just place it. You can put as much as you want depending on your preference. I love me some chia seeds, so I am going to put plenty. And then I will move on to my mixture of sunflower and pumpkin seeds. I normally get this from Healthy You, or you can get them from Carrefour as well. I buy them individually, then I just kind of mix them up together in the container. So just adding that, very healthy. And then I am going to move on to my goji berries. They are dried. Also just lining that up. Yeah. So tricky to get to the container. Yeah. And then to finish off, the banana. So just going to quickly slice this in. And then our meal is going to be ready. I also like how it's going to be set in the plate, because guys eat actually with their eyes first, so presentation is key. And I love bananas. Bananas are my absolute favorite fruit. I remember growing up when I was in primary school, my dad used to give me money like maybe twice a week to go and buy chips, and I actually used to go and buy bananas. Like, I'm that kind of person. I'm just obsessed with bananas. So yeah, so I think we are ready with that, and from there you go. That's how the plate looks. So you have your chia seeds, you have your pumpkin and sunflower seeds, your goji berries, and your banana, and you're good to go. So you can add honey if you want more sweetness, or peanut butter, and I actually think I'm going to do that. So let me add some peanut butter because you're adding more protein to the meal. So give me a minute. I am back with my peanut butter. I'm using the whole earth crunchy peanut butter because crunchy peanut butter is big and it's organic. And I am just going to add let's say like a teaspoonful of the peanut butter. So I'm just gonna add that there, and it's so yummy, and it's going to give the food, like the oats, a nice crunchy element and a nice bite. So yeah, there we go, quick and easy. This takes you like 3 minutes to cook and maybe another minute or so to filter. Quick and easy and ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed making these oats with me. Stay tuned to the next episode for the other breakfast alternative, which is for when you have more time, for example during the weekend. Don't forget to like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll also leave my blog details down below so that you guys can go and check it out. So thanks for watching, bye.